Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my technique to adding music to the back of videos using Premiere Rush. So I have a video of Scooby-Doo. I mean, what's new? But all these 70s versions, it's the best versions, let's be honest. But the chase scenes, they were the most exciting parts. Problem with them though is that the music being played has nothing to do with the actual scene itself. Listen.
Hey girl, you got me running. Na 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 na. My heart is lost and my mind's gone bumming. Na 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 na. Tell me where you've been hiding. I took a look and I decided.
Okay, so it's called Tell Me, Tell Me. I don't know who's it by, but all these chase scenes have these, like, they don't even have to do, the songs have nothing to do with what's happening in the chase scene. They're basically love songs most of the time. One was about an ostrich. I have the whole soundtrack, and nothing makes sense. But it's okay. Kids don't know that. But as adults, we see this now and we're like, what were we thinking? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Add Media. And I'm going to go click your media and slide down to where your song is that you chose. And it's added right here down below. Now to make the sidebar come out, because I don't want to have this whole video where you can hear the other song in the original video film, I don't want to have that song playing. But I kind of want this beginning part where they're talking like, yikes, there's a little guy coming, we better get running. So I'm going to pause, I'm going to stop here, make sure you have the video clicked, and I'm going to trim it. That way this part can talk, but this part I'm going to have on mute, and to mute it you have to click this bar. Oops, can I just do that? Maybe I can move this down to another bar. I move that one to here, and I'm going to move this one down below. Nope, can't do that either. Okay, well I'm just going to let that go and keep it attached. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push, oh wait, no, Control, Edit, Redo. Okay, I've got a plan. Because this, I can click on this bar over here, that's speed. I need to find the one that says sound. That's what these little sound bars are for. I'm going to mute this section. Okay, now I've got it all under control. This part is on full volume. This one is on 0. We're good. Okay, sorry, I had to refresh my brain there. Okay, so now if I push play.
The werewolf! Feet make like a rocket, and right now!
Liking this. Makes total sense.
I saw a werewolf with a Chinese menu in his hand, walking through the streets of Soho in the rain. He was looking for a place called Lee.
So let me skip. Okay, now I'm going to show you at the end. I really wish I could watch that all day, but I can't because I only have so much time on this. So to trim off this end, so you don't have, because see, the video does not go all the way to the end here where my sound is for Werewolves of London. So I need to see this little sign that comes up right here. You need to drag it, click, and drag all the way to the end here. So now when it plays,
Miss Taylor.
and then it ends. So that is my technique on how to add music. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry for the little confusion right here at the beginning. I just had to refresh my brain there. So I'm glad you guys had time to watch, and happy Thanksgiving or Christmas. I don't remember what time this video falls, but I think it's going to be Thanksgiving. Thank you. Bye.